Hi everyone, welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. Let's talk about something a lot of people are going through but don't want to admit is hard. Long-distance relationships. They look romantic in the movies. The airport reunions, the love letters, the grand gestures. But real life? It's different. It's lonely. It's expensive. It's exhausting. And sometimes it's just not enough. Today, we're being honest. Not to scare you, not to make you give up, but to prepare you. Because if you're going to do long distance, you need to know what you're signing up for. Here are 5 harsh truths about long distance relationships no one tells you. Truth 1. Love is not enough. This is the hardest truth to swallow. You love them. They love you. But love alone doesn't keep a relationship alive. Love doesn't pay for flights. Love doesn't bridge time zones. Love doesn't replace physical presence. Love doesn't fill the silence when you have nothing to talk about. You need more than love. You need commitment. You need communication. You need patience. You need a plan. Love is the fuel, but if the engine isn't built properly, the car still won't move. If you're relying on love alone to get you through, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Love is essential, but it's not sufficient. Truth 2. You will miss out on each other's daily life. This is the quiet pain of long distance. They have a bad day at work. You can't hug them. They get a promotion. You can't celebrate in person. They're sick. You can't bring them soup. They meet new friends. You don't know them. They develop new habits, new routines, new inside jokes, and you're not part of them. You're living parallel lives, not a shared one. And over time, that disconnect grows. You start to feel like you're dating a voice on the phone, a face on a screen. The real, messy, everyday life is happening without you. And no amount of video calls can fully make up for that. You have to be okay with being a spectator in parts of their life. And that's harder than it sounds. You'd think you'd get used to it. You don't. The empty side of the bed stays empty. The dinners alone stay alone. The quiet nights stay quiet. You can distract yourself. You can stay busy. But at the end of the day, when you put your phone down, the silence hits differently. You learn to live with it, but it doesn't stop hurting. You start to wonder if this is worth it. You start to wonder if you're wasting the best years of your life waiting for someone who's not there. The loneliness is a constant companion, and you have to decide if you can live with that. Truth 4. Communication becomes a job. In a normal relationship, communication flows naturally. You see each other. You talk about your day. You share space. In long distance, everything has to be intentional. You have to schedule calls. You have to plan video dates. You have to actively carve out time to connect. And sometimes, when you're tired, you don't want to. Sometimes, you just want to sit in silence. But you can't. Truth 5. Even with an end date, it's still hard. Some people think if you have a plan to close the distance, everything will be fine. It helps. It gives you something to hold on to. But even with a date on the calendar, the day-to-day is still hard. And if the plan changes, if the move gets delayed, if work falls through, if life happens, the disappointment can be crushing. You've been counting down the days. And suddenly, the countdown is reset. That hope you were holding on to, it's gone. And you have to do it all over again. Even with a plan, long distance is still long distance. And the waiting never gets easier. So, what do you do with these truths? You don't give up. You don't ignore them. You acknowledge them. You talk about them with your partner. You decide together if you can handle them. You prepare. You plan. You build a foundation that goes beyond love, a foundation of shared purpose, shared commitment, and shared vision. You accept that some days will be hard. Some weeks will be harder. And that's okay. That's normal. That's real. And if you realize that you can't do it, that's okay too. Long distance isn't for everyone. It's not a failure to admit it's too much. It's honest. And sometimes the most loving thing you can do is let each other go. A final thought. Long distance relationships are not impossible. People make them work. But they work because both people are willing to face these harsh truths head on. They work because they don't pretend it's easy. They work because they put in the effort, even when it's hard. So, if you're in one, be honest with yourself. Are you ready for this? Are you both ready? If yes, keep going. If not, it's okay to let go. Sometimes letting go is the kindest thing you can do for both of you. Now I want to hear from you. Are you in a long-distance relationship? What's the hardest part for you? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because here at psysigns we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.